Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very quick cleanup and it's going to be spread out through a few days. My kids are home for summer break and I've been dedicating a lot of time getting them out of the house and doing activities. Baby comes in 5 weeks, so I am trying to get as much summer fun in those 5 weeks that I possibly can. And so there's been a little less cleaning. Our house definitely needs a little more work, but you're going to do that a different day.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
As always, our countertops become very, very cluttered, and that is what happened today. Our bar area just became overwhelmed. Our kitchen upstairs is very clean, but the bar has been where we have been really eating most of the time now that we're on summer break. We just kind of hang out downstairs by the family room, have breakfast by the TV or here at the bar before we head out for the day. There, I bought a little memorabilia plaque for our dog that passed away about a month ago, and we're going to go ahead and put that in the garden for her because we miss her so very much.
You know that you're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination.
Your face in the crowd, I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile, every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was love, bet that you felt the same.
One thing that really needed to be done is I needed to take off all of the sheets off both of the beds, the kids' beds. My daughter's comforter needed a good, thorough clean as well, and took off all of the pillowcases. Everything needed to be washed and bleached because everything is white and we want to make sure that it is clean. We've been going to the track a lot lately. My kids ride dirt bikes, my son races competitively, so the sheets and everything have gotten a little bit dirty and disgusting. Now we do come home and we do shower always after we get back from the track or we have a race or whatnot, but somehow, some way, some of the dirt still winds up like everywhere throughout my house. So it is something that needs to be consistently cleaned of. I feel like my walls too, since they are white. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean the grill. I'm not going to do like a deep clean of the grill. I do need to get a grill cleaner. I'm just going to quickly go through and just bleach the surface of the grill right over here, clean it and hose it down while I have a few minutes.
So we talk about the past for a moment. I forget why we never lasted. With your hand on my knee, every single feeling comes back to me. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. That kind of love is not easy to find, babe. I haven't felt that since you went away.
My kids are super pumped. We got our trampoline back. We had our trampoline sitting in my brother's garage. Our last house, we had such we had a much larger yard. So we were able to have a trampoline. We had a huge deck and patio. There was so much room for the kids to run around. We had a huge driveway, but we sold that. We moved into this house temporarily. And we did not bring our trampoline because we didn't think that there was going to be enough space. Well, my kids got tired of it and we took out the trampoline and we brought it over. It fits. I mean, it takes up the entire yard on the city property, but that's okay. They can get their energy out. And today what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through and scrub. I'm just going to use my O-Cedar mop because I do not feel like hand scrubbing anything. I threw some detergent, like dish detergent in there and some water, and I am cleaning that because I need it. It was so dingy and dusty and my kids' feet were nasty, so this really needed a good scrub down. Right now, I only had a few minutes to kind of pick up in the kitchen and just clear off the countertops. I didn't really have a good amount of time to clean. So I just did, honestly, the bare necessities and just kind of clear it off, throw out any of the trash that didn't belong. And then I pretty much headed over later on in the video to doing some laundry. Like I said, I have been trying to get out with the kids as much as possible before baby comes, because I know when baby comes, they're going to be cooped up in the house just a little bit, not terribly too much, but we won't be able to do a lot of the fun activities that we normally do, like go hiking, go to the beach right away and things like that. So I've been dedicating a lot of time to that. But my next video that is going to be coming out in a few days, that has a ton of deep cleaning to do. I've already recorded that and I'm super pumped and excited about that. Like I said, I need to get the house in order, and it went into a disaster zone recently, but that's okay. You guys will see all the deep cleaning we'll be doing in the next video.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love.
I hope you guys genuinely enjoyed the video and got a little bit of cleaning motivation. Check out my channel for some other great cleaning videos, and stay tuned for what I'm going to be having coming up in the next few weeks. I'm preparing for baby. You guys are going to go and finally see like a better deep clean. You guys are going to finally start seeing all of the baby items come into the house and how we make space for baby in such a small house.